What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? Ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hairdo for who? You. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boop. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing another hair tutorial. Today's hair is by UNice. Y'all know UNice. They have some really beautiful high quality hair at affordable prices. The hair that I have on is the 7x5 bye-bye knots, and I love the bye-bye knots because they come pre-bleached. This comes pre-bleached and pre-cut, so it's just ready to go. You don't have to do much. This is their Yaki Ombre, and it is straight hair, and it has the drawstring in the back, which I love. For those of you who are not new here, you guys know exactly how I feel about Yaki hair. I love Yaki hair because it just mimics our hair to a T. It fits us a lot better than any other hair texture. Everything looks good on us, but this one just takes it up a notch. It's just really beautiful, and it screams blackness to the core. So it is 7x5. It doesn't come with baby hair, so I went in and I did my baby hairs. You guys know that I love baby hairs. You get a lot of parting space, and it looks really good right out of the box. There's not much that you have to do to it. You don't have to curl it if you don't want to, but if you did want to, you can put a curl in there. Now, the only thing that I did not do was cut it. I didn't want to cut it because I love the length of the hair, and I didn't want to put any layers in it. Like, I just love how long and luscious it looks without any layers in it. The ombre highlights are down to the end, as you can tell, and it has a little bit of highlight going on around the face, as you can tell as well. It's really pretty. It is so gorgeous. You guys already know, if it is not good hair, it doesn't make it on hair. All the specs for this unit will pop up on the screen right here, so for anything that I am forgetting to say, it will be right here. And make sure you check out UNice. Everything will be linked down in the description box. 10 out of 10. I recommend this hair. I can't there's just not much for me to say about it. The styling is so easy. Just a little mousse and you're good to go. Okay, so without further ado, make sure you check them out. Everything will be linked down in the description box, and let's get right on into the video.
You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy? Or did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong, or you're stringing me along? Then that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Let's go. Boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, oh. But now the energy got hazy, oh. Tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy, oh. I can't seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting, girl. That's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Let's go. Boy, that's my cue. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge, type of time you want. Tell me I'm the one, or I'm up and gone. Yeah, touching on my body like nobody does. We lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on, so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time, one more time, all these questions got me questioning, questioning us. Got you out here looking so suspicious. Boy, that's my key. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationships suicide.
Yeah, so that's basically it. As you can tell in the video, like I said, you don't have to curl it. It looks so good even in its straight state. It is so beautiful. It is full of life, the shine on it, everything. I mean, look at that. That's just really pretty. I love that. You have so much parting space that you can definitely do a side part if you wanted to. It lays really, really good. And like I said, I love that drawstring in the back. That drawstring in the back really makes any unit fit your head snug. It doesn't matter what shape head you have. Once you have that drawstring in there, I think it is the best invention that they have you know, added to these wigs, I must say, because the drawstrings were not in the wigs. Okay, so the drawstrings to the wigs are pretty new, you get what I'm saying? But it is just genius because it fits your head snug. You don't have to glue this down. This can be totally 100% glueless. Just a little bit of mousse in there and you're good to go. The hair is top tier. It is just full of life. Like, it's really beautiful. It is a natural type of density. It's just really pretty, you know? Like, I love this. This is gorgeous. And the highlights just give it that autumn feel as well. Like, we're going into autumn and this would be a really great way to go. These soft curls just give it a really nice little touch. Like, it's just feminine and elegant. Like I said, you guys already know if it is not good hair, it does not make it to the channel. So make sure you check out UNice. Everything will be linked down in the description box, all right? So if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, Snapchat, everything is under my name. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really soon on the next one. Ooh.